Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. We are on week 8, I believe. Keep getting them mixed up, of 12-week fall clean and decluttering challenge. I am working on the kids' bathroom today, so I will be cleaning the window, the grout, which is not bad, and decluttering the cabinet. None of it should be too bad because I keep it fairly organized and they keep it fairly organized, but you never know. So I'm gonna start with the window and then go from there. So before I start on the window, I am just going to spray my mold and mildew stain remover in a bathtub around where it needs it.
I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we need, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Breakups leave the scars, you don't need to be ashamed. Everyone's got their hearts broken sometime. Let's go out and lose our minds, forget all about him. You can put on your dress, dance into your favorite song. Everybody will sing along, sing along, sing along. So put your hands up, this is what we have to do. Tell me, can you feel it too, feel it too? Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. Baby, you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body. I want to be daring, baby.
Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a quick Monday motivation for you, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day.
Being pretty all the time doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.